We're bowling a game with Michael Jordan's bowling ball. We're gonna bowl and see what we can shoot, and hopefully it's more than 23. What's some fun facts about Michael Jordan, besides the fact that he's clutch? He's like the opposite of LeBron. Good when you need him.
A complete embellishment by James.
You know what I'm saying? Push.
Oh, 10 back.
2-piece. I'll have a 2-piece chicken tendy, extra sauce.
Did you watch The Last Dance?
I did watch The Last Dance. What's your favorite Michael Jordan moment? Mine is all of them.
Three for three.
Something that was not a huge part of the NBA, the three-pointer.
3 for 3, yes sir!
Man, how the game has evolved. Guys, I'm almost 2 months into my Magic Mind journey, and Magic Mind has helped me a lot staying focused and staying fresh every day when I go to bowl tournaments, whether it's here filming videos for you guys, or whether I go to a tournament where I gotta bowl for 4 straight days, 12 games a day. It doesn't matter. Magic Mind helps keep my head right and my body right from wake up to bedtime. You can get your Magic Mind at magicmind.com/housebowling and use code housebowling20 for up to 56% off your entire subscription. That's housebowling20 for 56% off your subscription.
That ball is hooking more than I thought it would.
That ball's hooking a lot more than I thought it would be. It's a plastic ball, and it's 16 pounds. No core, no nothing.
It's got some grooves though, right?
Yeah, it does have some grooves. You can see these little lines that make it look like a basketball, which are super cool, also make the ball very illegal. Might be why it's hooking. Illegal balls tend to hook more. They tend to make rules about the balls that hook. 4-piece, 4 for 4 at Wendy's. I'm on one today, I'm hungry, can you tell? As long as I strike enough, keeping score will be very easy. Please strike, please. Oh. I wasn't sure what to ask. I was gonna say hook, but it was a little left, so I knew it would hook. And then once it started to hook, I wanted to say push, and then it just went high flush. Maybe we should do a video where we cut our own grooves and we make our own basketball looking ball. What do you guys think? If we on this channel could do absolutely anything to a bowling ball, hit us with it down below in the comments, and we will make the most illegal bowling ball on YouTube. You've seen us hit it with a power sander. You've seen us put BBs in it to make it 20 pounds. You've seen us put a bolt inside. You've seen us drill a hole all the way through. I want you guys to get creative here. We got a lot of access at a really cool bowling alleys. You just gotta let us know what to do. That's how you're gonna end it? It was a little in. I'm not shooting this spare, put your hands down. I don't understand why there's no repercussion for people holding their hands up in the back. Riddle me that. If I'm gonna buy you guys a chocolate milk when I miss this and you put your hands up, why can't I get a chocolate milk from you guys? That's my new deal. So if you're putting your hand up in the comments, you owe me a chocolate milk after I make this. Or at least 1 click of the subscribe button. That's the least you could do. I was nervous. I don't know why I didn't just throw a strike shot. I moved like 3 left. 5 bagger, 9 spare. We're on 79 pace. Please keep striking to make the scoring easy for us. Please. Do you guys have any other like iconic bowling balls? I drilled this one and everybody was looking at me like I was crazy because I put holes in a ball that was like a super collector's item. I want you guys to give us another collector's bowling ball that I should seek out and drill, because we've also done that more than once. I've had some very expensive bowling balls in the last couple of years, like the Quantum and then the LT48. That's $1,500 just in 2 balls. Oh. Why does that happen to me all the time? I am the 9-pin. That's such a bad break. We're on 68 pace. I'm throwing my favorite ball at this. I was nervous again. I also moved way too far left. And now, here comes a strike. What's your guys' favorite Michael Jordan highlight of all time?
Game 6 of his 6th championship when he strips Karl Malone and
Malone is doubled. They swat at it and steal it.
pushes off,
Hits a shot to win.
hits the jumper from the free throw line.
Jordan. Oh open. Chicago with the lead.
Nasty. I think Michael Jordan had one of the coolest marketing strategies when Nike decided that his first shoe should be black and red and they were just going to pay the fine every single game. They paid over $400,000 in fines for him to wear a non-legal shoe in the NBA. The Nike basketball first year of sales, over $1 billion that year. How can we do that? Spare this 3 in the 10th. I'm gonna learn my lesson and just move one left. See how much better that was? No sweat, no nothing. Right in the center left of the pin. I was watching an NCAA national championship highlight clip where he hit the shot to win. And it was like they drew the play up for the other player on their team and he just ended up, and they talk about the mannerisms that he had. You could tell that he was just like ready for it. It wasn't, oh man, like I'm a freshman shooting the national championship shot. It was just like, it is what it is. I'm here to win.
That's how I played the game. That was my mentality.
Next 2 for 48, miss here for 30. Hook. 9 pins only, I guess. A no tap 300? Ball's good to get 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 230. And now I'm gonna tell you guys what this ball really does, and I'm gonna compare it to my other bowling balls and show you this ball stinks. I would give it the equivalent to my plastic ball, so you've seen me throw it plenty of shots. I'm gonna line up in the exact same spot I did with my white dot, the ball that I currently throw at spares. That is what I would equivalent the Michael Jordan ball to. As I said, it's gonna be about the same to a plastic ball. And for reference, I'll throw a couple other balls as well to show you guys the difference between the two, because it's not even close. That ball is a straight ball. It's not illegal because it hooks too much. It's just illegal because of the way it was made.
Do you regret drilling it?
Absolutely, I regret drilling it. Are you kidding me? I could have just put it on a shelf and had it look pretty for a while, which it was. And now there's holes in it and I'm making a video for you guys. So if you guys really just want to help me out, tell me what ball I should ruin next. This channel, full of regrets. And I'm standing 5 right with my feet and I don't think it's enough. I'm gonna go another 5 with my feet, so it would be a 10 board move off of the Michael Jordan ball. And flush. I know I just threw the Michael Jordan ball. I know it's illegal. I threw it because it was a super cool collector's piece, some really cool history behind the ball. Michael Jordan pairing up with a bowling company to make his own bowling ball. It is going to sit on the shelf in a pro shop or in my house probably for the next 20 years. Or we can bring it back on the channel. I'll let you guys decide. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, peace.